If you're a business owner, you've probably heard about Google Business Profile and Google Maps, but understanding the difference between the two is essential for maximizing your online presence. While the two tools are closely connected, each serves a unique purpose and offers distinct advantages for businesses in 2025. In this video, we'll break down the differences, explain how they work together, and show you how to use both effectively to grow your business. Google Business Profile, formerly known as Google My Business, is primarily designed for businesses to manage their online presence on Google Search and Maps. It allows you to provide essential information about your business, including your name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, products, services, and photos. This profile helps potential customers learn about your business, read reviews, and take action, such as calling, visiting, or booking an appointment. It's essentially the hub where businesses control how they appear across Google. On the other hand, Google Maps is a navigation and location-based service that helps users find businesses, directions, and places nearby. When someone searches for a product or service on Maps, your business can appear as a pin or listing, allowing users to see your location, ratings, and key details. Google Maps is more focused on helping customers physically find your business or get directions, while Google Business Profile ensures that your information is accurate, engaging, and visible in search results. One of the main advantages of Google Business Profile is control and customization. You can upload photos, create posts, respond to reviews, answer questions, and provide detailed information about your products or services. This makes your listing more attractive and informative for potential customers. Google Maps, meanwhile, displays your business information as provided by your profile, but offers limited customization. The better your Google Business Profile, the more effectively your business appears on Maps. Both tools also offer customer interaction and insights, but Google Business Profile gives more comprehensive analytics. You can see how customers find your listing, what actions they take, and which posts or photos drive the most engagement. Google Maps shows basic information like directions requested or calls made, but your full engagement data comes from your business profile. In short, Google Business Profile and Google Maps work together to help your business succeed online. Google Business Profile manages your business information, builds credibility, and engages customers, while Google Maps makes it easy for people to locate your business in real life. Optimizing both ensures maximum visibility, better customer engagement, and increased foot traffic to your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and business tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start using Google Business Profile and Google Maps together today, and watch your online visibility and customer engagement grow.